Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys been doing well. I hope you guys have been killing the market. Yo, I don't know what's going on, but I've been waiting to trade NFP, but yo, I keep delaying NFP. NFP is this week, next week. We were supposed to have it 2 weeks ago, but it looks like this Friday we're gonna have NFP. It's probably because of this market crash or shutdown. I don't know, but yeah, welcome back to another video, guys, and I have a market breakdown that I wanna give to you guys before NFP. And yeah, I haven't forgotten about the giveaway. I see most of you guys, some of you guys have commented there in the comment section, but yeah, we will get to that. But for now, let me just get to the market breakdown for you guys, and let's see what we can cook for NFP. I don't recommend normally trading NFP, but if you have money to lose, like I mean, if you have money to risk, then you can trade NFP, man. So what I'm gonna be trading here is I'm gonna be looking at NZDUSD. I'm gonna be looking at gold also. So let's get into the video, man. So I'm on NZDUSD, and on the weekly time frame, you guys can see this market has just been going bearish, but like it's just been on the downtrend currently. Even at current market prices on the downtrend, but I don't like to watch all that pause and all this. So on the weekly, I'm gonna take it to a weekly. On the weekly, I'm gonna go to the line chart, and normally, like I say to you guys, I always start with my zones. Like I just start marking reversal levels where I see the market tend to reverse a lot. And yeah, so I don't know what NFP is gonna do because your gold has been buying, but we'll get to that in a minute. But as you can see, we have current reversal levels on NZD/USD. So what I can see from this market that we are bearish, we're very bearish actually. So this is a key zone here in this area here where the market tends to respect, because look, we had like a left head and right shoulder. We had like a head and shoulder, and then it came selling to the downside, and then we broke this resistance, which it was I thought it was going to be a support, but then it broke it, and then now we could currently go back to retest it. But in order for us to see that, we must actually dive deeper and also take note of this zone here. Whenever we hear in the past what happened, market tends to go up. So if we can go down here, okay, but that's highly unlikely. Let's just go to the daily. If we could get down here, and then if like around before NFP, then I would suspect NFP is gonna buy. But I don't want to trade of how I feel. I just wanna see if the analysis is gonna play out. But if the market reaches down here, then we could be expecting buys for NFP. But like you can see here, market is bearish. You could take a short sell here on the daily. So I'm going to the 4 hour. So I would expect for price to pull up here and go back down, continue the bearish movement, because as you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we must create a lower high to make the next lower low. So yeah, I could see NZD USD going for sales before we actually get those overall buys like we want. But the trend is bearish, but as you guys can see from in the past, history always tends to repeat itself. When it came here, it bought. When it came here, it bought. When it came here, sorry for the blurry screen. But when it came here, it bought. When it came here, it bought. When it came here, look at all that massive buy momentum. So I'm hoping for the same thing. That's if it reaches before NFP, then that could happen. But for now, I would be rooting for short sales. Like, let me just remove this. So I would be hoping for like just a small pullback into the area. Sorry for the blurry camera, man. I don't know what if it's going on. Let me just clean it a bit. All right, that's better. That's better. So yeah, I don't know. like I can see we can have a slight pullback into the resistance area before going down on NZDUSD. So yeah, that's what I see, man. And it looks highly like we're gonna have a sell, but I'm hoping for overall buy because in the past, and in forex history, it's kind of like important. So I'm hoping this movement here happens again here when we reach this level. So yeah, let's just see what NFP does. But I can see we're gonna have a slight pullback up into here, and then we could sell, and then overall we get the buy. So let's move on to gold. Yo, you see why no? I don't know if it happened to you guys also. Like if you don't trade gold, no, it tends to go in your direction, no? But when you don't trade gold, when you just analyze it, then it tends to go in your direction. Why is that? Yo, it always happens to me. I don't know if you guys can relate, but yo, gold. But I've been getting the analysis right now. But when I do decide to trade it, then it doesn't go in my direction. It either takes me out before it goes in the overall direction. But when I don't trade it, then it just goes in my direction. Bruh, markets are watching me, but I don't know, man. But yeah, let's get on to the analysis. Because look at this movement, bro, on the daily time frame, on the 4 hour. This is, bruh. I actually sent this out to some of my bras here at home, but bruh, this took me out here and look how it went up. This year, I gave a setup to my bra, um, other bra that lives here. That man didn't hold it. If this man's watching the video, you'll know what I'm talking about. But yo, I don't even need to analyze gold really, but just buy it, bro. But yeah, you can see me, bro. Gold is in a bullish trend. Huh? Look here, higher, low, high. It must come create a higher low, and then from here, yo, I'm analyzing on a 4 hour, but I can literally see this movement, bro. I would target that high, but you can see it, bro. Like the history is gonna repeat itself. Look at all this in the past, bro. You can see here. Break retest, break retest, break retest. It broke. Now we're getting the retest, bro. Bro, I think gold is gonna buy for NFP. I don't even need to analyze it, but NFP is unpredictable. But I would go with the overall trend for buys. The same like NZDUSD. I would also root for buys, but you can have that short sell. Like gold is showing like short selling momentum, but I wouldn't hold the sales. It's risky. Like yo, just look at all the spikes here in the past. You see, let me show you. I don't like these spikes, but gold could be selling until this point. You can hold sales, but don't hold it for long. Because if it comes here before NFP, we're definitely buying, bro. But yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I don't need to analyze gold. The analysis speaks for itself in the past, but however, I'm gonna stay away from this. But for all my gold traders out there, I hope you kill it, man. Let's get it. Yeah, man. That's the market breakdown for you guys, and like the giveaway. I haven't forgotten about it, so I'm currently occupied, but I will do the giveaway. If not in this week, in the next video, then I'll definitely do it next week because then I have some free time off. So currently I have a busy schedule. So yeah, and also if you guys are tuned in, thank you guys for watching, man. And also before I end the video, I also want to leave a few words of motivation to you guys and like just keep going, Owens. Just keep going. Your breakthrough is gonna come. I can feel my breakthrough is going through because like God wouldn't put you in a difficult situation if you were not strong to like to get out of it. He knows like he only gives his toughest battles to his toughest soldiers, to his strongest soldiers. So keep going, bruh. Whether it's trading or whether you not doing illegal stuff, but either way, you gotta get the bag, but keep going, bruh. You're gonna get through it. I'm gonna keep saying this, bruh. The realest ones have the hardest way of living, and only the realest ones and the most hardworking ones is gonna get out of it, bruh. So people can laugh at you at your goals, whatever, bruh. Just keep going, bruh. And try to stay away from social media because that, like, in the past I used to like question like my life when I see all this other means like, you're making this millions and driving this quite cars, young brasses like younger than me, my bro. And then I'm like, that shit had to affect my mind because at the time, like, I was thinking like, yo, like, you should. This is for the bros. You should never let the gun make you feel like you like she shouldn't make you feel like you competing with other bros. The gun is from the past that I had, but they would put you in a competition and make you feel like you're not worth anything. But that people, bruh, when you make it, they're gonna come running back to you. Like I promise you, bruh. Like I've seen hoes. Sorry for the language, but I've seen hoes do that, bruh. So don't feel like don't feel don't feel like you don't have to compare yourself to anyone, bruh. You having your own journey, and yeah, man, let's get it, bruh. Whether you whether you struggling now, bruh, all this long nights and everything. That's what I keep telling myself. Like whether it's trading related or not, bruh, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna get rich, legally or legally. I mean, legally or illegally. But yeah, me bro. People can laugh at me making this video, me bro. I don't care. But I'm manifesting it out to the universe that I'm gonna make it, bruh. If you believe you're gonna make it, say it now in your head, bruh. Say it out loud that you're gonna make it, bruh. People gonna look at you crazy. But if people don't look at you as crazy, then you're doing something wrong, bruh. If people don't hate you, you're doing something wrong, bruh. Because, bruh, there was a quote from Triple H in WWE. I don't know, most of you guys don't know WWE, but he said something of, um, why is success such a bad thing? That famous quote, but yeah, bruh, but he said that stuck with me. I would rather eat well than sleep well. That means you gotta go get it, bro. Keep hustling, bro.
Well, I don't understand this world today. Why is success a bad thing? Jealousy. That's all it is. Jealousy. Seth, you're worried that some people don't like you in the locker room? Hell, if you ain't making enemies, you ain't making money. If everybody doesn't hate you, then you are not living up to your full potential. And everybody here wants to say, well, at least you'll sleep well at night. Sleep? Who has time for sleep? I would rather eat well than sleep well. I would rather drive a nice car, fly in a private plane, live in a mansion, live the good life, Seth. You get one shot at life, one shot, one go around in this world. You take life and you grab it by the throat and you make it give you everything you want and screw everybody else.
And I'm not editing nothing out of this video, bro. Go get it, my bro. I can feel, even though it doesn't look like it, I can feel I'm getting a breakthrough, and all the glory is to God, bro. I'm not using God's name to get views or be in a I don't care if people don't like me. So I'm not doing it to make people like me by using God's name. But I have so many haters now. People that's watching this video could probably be hating on me just watching my videos, just but in their mind or behind the screen they are hating on me, brother. Like just watching my journey, so hoping I fail. But bruh, I don't care about the haters. But bro, I feel like I'm like where I stay now in Ravensmead, bruh. I'm not the most hated, nah, but like people look at me a certain way, bruh. But I'm just doing me. At the end of the day, whether you like me or don't like me, I always try to inspire the people. Only my four friends, my four friends from school. That's the only brass I have. Like if they the only ones that know me besides my mom, my dad, and my girlfriend and my kid. But that's the only people that I feel knows me, and I didn't want to turn this into sad a sad video. But bruh, don't let people discourage you, bruh. That's what I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna leave it here. Don't let people discourage you. Keep going, bruh. Keep chasing your goals, bruh. Keep going. I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth it at the end. We in 2025. The year's almost over. Next year, bro. Keep going, my bro. Keep going harder. Uh, whether you even think you're not gonna make it, trust me. If you stay consistent, if you show up every day, if you put in your 10,000 hours, you are gonna make it. I promise you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.